Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be covering a quick little hack to save you some money on these dog collars or cat collars. It's by PetSafe. It might work with other brands too, but basically you got two different batteries. This is the RFA188 and it's a 3-volt battery. If you buy the batteries from PetSafe, they're on sale. They're $6.99, but usually around 12 bucks a piece, whereas you can get 3 batteries for around $13, so it's definitely the cheaper way to go. Plus Duracell's probably better than the battery that factory comes inside these things. The way you can tell that your battery is low is you look at the red dots, and as you can see, the first couple of dots is how powerful the collar's set at. A single red dot afterwards means that the battery's getting low. You'll want to turn the housing to the arrow to take the battery out, and this is typically what you would replace. But instead of replacing the whole hardware, we're just going to pop this battery out of here, and you just got to lift this little clip, this ring that's holding it in place. It doesn't need to be there, so if it breaks off, that's completely fine. It doesn't really do any purpose except for try to keep you from modifying this and putting your own battery in here and saving yourself a lot of money. So you just kind of push up on it and it'll snap open. And like I said, if this part breaks off, it's not really that big of a deal. You don't really need it. And kind of flip that out of the way. Get some needle nose pliers. And there's 2 grooves on the sides of the plastic housing, and you can reach in there and grab the battery. Keep note of how it's placed in there, what's top and what's bottom. Pull the old one out. We'll just look at this old battery to show you where it's at. You don't have to do this, but I like to just see what the old battery was at compared to the new battery that we're putting in. And this one's reading at 2.6 around. It's pretty inconsistent there. And this new battery, the Duracell, it's reading at 3.21 pretty steadily, so that's good. So now you simply put the new battery in, facing the same direction as the one you took out. The little circle part's on top on this model. And see, you don't really need that ring, it still stays in there, the battery does. But now when you need to swap it out next time, you can easily just take the battery out and swap it out with a new battery. Put the housing back together. You might have to click it into place, line up the arrow. Turn it back to on, and let's check to see if it's good. There's my beeps that say the power of the collar. And we should be seeing a green light now. Yep, there was that green light. That means it's good to go and it's charged up. We got a new battery and saved a bunch of money. If this helped you out, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.